Dreaming of leaving your 9 to 5 and breaking free from the rat race? Let's talk about how you can actually make it happen. Hi, I'm Keenan and welcome to Wander and Invest. Like many, I wanted to escape the hustle of a traditional job, and today I'm sharing exactly how you can do it too. We'll cover both mindset shifts and practical steps to make this big transition toward freedom. If you're looking to escape the rat race, the first step is to define your why. For some, it's the freedom to travel. For others, it's the ability to pursue a personal passion. But you have to know what truly drives you. After spending over 15 years in the IT industry as a cybersecurity engineer and cloud SME, I gained significant experience and knowledge. My salary was great, but I always felt like I was just scratching the surface. Despite the countless hours and hard work, I was tirelessly working day in and day out, and no matter what I achieved, I wasn't being rewarded for my full worth. I had degrees, certifications, and a reputation for being excellent at what I do. But eventually I realized enough was enough. I got tired of creating wealth for other companies without seeing the same rewards myself, so I made the decision to start investing in myself. That decision led me to shift my mindset and move toward freelancing, outsourcing my skills, and focusing on building something for myself. This change wasn't just practical, it was about embracing the idea of valuing my own worth and taking control of my future. Along this journey, several books helped me make this shift. These include The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss, Atomic Habits by James Clear, Inner Glimpse by Idil, Ahmed, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, The Psychology of Money by Housel, Return to Orchard Canyon by Ken McElroy, and Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. These books were instrumental in shifting my perspective on life, wealth, and purpose. They taught me that success isn't about the hours you put in, but the value you create and how intentionally you live each day. So I encourage you to find your own why, the reason that drives you. Define it clearly because it will become your guiding star. Once you do, start surrounding yourself with resources that support that vision. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Next, audit your current finances. Knowing your financial baseline is key for sustainable freedom. Build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of expenses to handle unexpected costs after leaving a steady paycheck. Reducing debt and cutting non-essential expenses also makes the transition smoother. Personally, I saved aggressively and downsized expenses to ensure financial stability before taking the leap. Step 3, creating a step-by-step exit plan. Now let's create an exit plan. Start by setting a target date that's realistic for your situation, whether that's 6 months or a year. Break down your goals into manageable milestones like reaching a savings goal or building a side income. Building skills relevant to your new path is also essential. My own timeline included specific milestones that kept me on track. Step 4, start building alternative income streams. Let's talk income streams. One of the most important parts of quitting the 9 to 5 is having income outside your job. Consider side hustles like freelancing, investing, or creating online content. Find something that matches your strengths, like remote work or consulting. I personally found side hustles that fit my strengths, which reduced my reliance on a 9 to 5. Step 5, build your support system and accountability. Escaping the rat race can be a challenging journey, so a support system is crucial. Find friends or mentors who encourage your goals. Tracking your progress with an accountability group can also make a big difference. I was fortunate to have a community of like-minded people who inspired and supported me. Call to action and closing. Escaping the 9 to 5 rat race is possible with the right mindset, financial planning, and step-by-step approach. Your dream of freedom is closer than you think. If you're ready to learn more about building a life of travel and financial independence, subscribe and hit the notification bell. In our next video, I'll share tips on building and sustaining multiple income streams so you can live life on your own terms.